Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2013-2019 Coexistence video. My name is Ed, and in this video we're going to be looking at updating our applications to point to Exchange 2019 versus Exchange 2013. Just to recap, in the previous video we copied our receive connector from Exchange 2013 to Exchange 2019. So in this example, I wanted to just demonstrate with a dummy application. The application is Manage Engine Service Desk, where you have incoming and outgoing settings that you need to configure for mail. And I thought it would be a good opportunity to just show you that this is one of the areas that you need to update. As I mentioned, there could be CRM applications, there could be Linux servers that require updating, mail apps on Linux servers, etc. So in my Manage Engine settings here under Admin, the incoming and outgoing settings are pre-configured. This is not a real IP address, it's just used for demonstration purposes, and obviously this is a fictitious email address. So what you would do is to update it to your Exchange server. So let's say my 2019 server is .11 and it was .10 for 2013. I would come in, I would click save, and my 2013-2019 servers are not currently running at the moment. This is just a server here, a DC that's running. So you can see the settings have changed, and I will do the same for the outgoing. I'll specify my Exchange server to my 2019 server. Nothing else changes. It'll still be port 25. And generally what I do with applications like this is they have their own dedicated receive connector so that you don't end up with anonymous not being allowed, for example, or some other issues. A dedicated connector normally it's easy to troubleshoot, etc. as well. In this example, we are authenticating against the user, the Exchange server, so the user is not just anonymous. So now that I've updated my incoming and outgoing settings, once my Exchange servers come up, I will then test it, make sure that Mailflow is working. And in your environment, obviously, this will be a production server, so you would need to change it, test it, make sure that everything's working. If not, go back and look at the logs if you have any errors, which you shouldn't have. Um, Again, that might point to routing or network applications locked down to VLANs, etc. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to be looking at moving archive mailboxes, removing arbitration mailboxes on 2013 before we start the final descent now to actually remove Exchange 2013. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.